This is a service for existing registered members. When you click on it, you will be taken to this page here where you are required to enter your national ID number to get one-time password via SMS to your registered phone number. Enter the OTP and click verify. When verified, you will be taken to your user dashboard. Here, you can view your registration details as well as your contribution status. If you haven't been paying your monthly contributions, the status will show not covered. The only change you can make here is on your outpatient facility. Just click on change outpatient facility. Note, if the phone number you registered with NHIF is different from the one you currently use, you will not get the OTP SMS. This means that you cannot log in. Please contact NHIF support for assistance to update your contact information. You can review the status of your payment as well as check your outpatient facility. As you can see, this service is quite straightforward and serves the purpose. One improvement that can be made on this specific product is enabling users to update their profile photo. Currently, you can't update your profile photo online unless you visit NHIF offices and seek assistance.